Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making Korean radish and squid soup. This is an easy recipe loaded with sweet radish, tender squid, and jam-packed with umami. Let's get started. This is 2 cups of Korean radish sliced into bite-sized pieces. We're adding a spoonful of gochugaru, gochujang, and sesame oil. Mix until the radish is coated and let sit for a few minutes before you take it to the stovetop. Add 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Then add the white onion. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Then add the salted krill, which I minced, chopped garlic, and Korean soup soy sauce. Cover and simmer for another 5 minutes. This is from a whole squid, which I cleaned and skinned earlier. I showed you how I clean a whole squid in my squid stir-fry video if you want to check it out. I'm adding a teaspoon of Japanese miso and fish sauce to pack in more umami. Check for seasoning and make sure the radish is fully cooked. Add the green onion. I'm also adding choi leaves, but spinach or any tender leaf would work. What kind of greens would you add? Simmer for another minute, then it's done. If you like squid, this soup is a definite must. This is very savory with a spicy kick. How spicy would you like yours? Serve with rice and your favorite banchan. The squid is so tender, the radish is sweet, and the broth is so savory. Hope you try this recipe for Korean radish and squid soup. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.